Hi guys, my name is Robert Marjan. I own JUNII, the world's quickest and fastest Skyline GT-R. We've all been chasing that 6 for a long time, and you know, like it's not that easy, and we've gone through ups and downs and all sorts of things, a lot of dedication, time spent, changes, setting the car up, finding more power, all the rest of it. But yeah, we're finally there, it's good. We were stuck on 7.2 for a long time. We did probably 16 of them altogether. About a month ago, we dipped into the 7.1s, and we did a 7.1 at 101 mile an hour on Friday, and 2 days ago, we finally ran the 6 at 202 mile an hour, and today, 203, sorry, yep. Took the car from being the quickest street GT-R, and then now quickest outright Skyline GT-R in the world. So right now, as we stand, Alpha Logic's in #1 in outright total GT-R full stop, drag car, race car, whatever it might be, and I think it's ETS, okay, in front of us as well, and we're #3. Honestly, extremely proud, very happy, ecstatic. We drove it home. Okay, we drove it to Campbelltown. 2 days later, we're racing. Had to get the chutes put on yesterday because we ran over 200 mile an hour, so we couldn't race yesterday. Came back out off the trailer, 692. Yeah, no, very good. The car's working very well. We're very happy with it. Months and months and years of development. It's all paying off. So we have changed the setup from when we ran from 8s all the way to 7.2. And the reason why we went to the billet block, it's more to do with the dry deck. It became dangerous. Okay, we were pushing water out. GT-R Festival last year, the car was sideways crossing the line. You know, it's just not worth it. With the cast block, we still pulled 1,966 horsepower at the wheels. So like, there's no shortage of power. Obviously, we could even push it again, even more power with the billet block. You know, there's more potential with it. We can go bigger turbos. Yeah, we have worked a lot on the suspension setup. Basically, why we're able to put get the time, because we can put the power down successfully, okay, and it works well. Nah, hush, nothing. You know what? It's a lot of development work. Yes, 100% IRS. So it's a Nitto 3.2 stroker. It's a custom port head by CRD. ProMod 94. We have a 9-inch diff in it. It's a Turbo 400 at over 2,000 horsepower at the wheels. I'm doing it for myself, okay? I have a passion for fast cars, have a passion for GT-Rs. We'll keep going, you know, until one day we call it, and while the car's going well and we feel that we can still achieve, you know, better things, and there's a bit of variety going on, you know, it's fine, yeah. No, we're happy to keep going. Everyone is over the moon. I mean, special thanks, obviously, to Jim, Con, and all the boys, you know, and everyone involved, all the people that have helped develop the car, you know, from Alex to Hypertune to Will, who does all the machine work and other things like that. You know, there's so many people involved. I'm sure there's, you know, so many people to thank, but definitely at CUDA, I'm aiming for a 7. Whether we do it or not, I'm not sure, but we're going to give it our best shot.